Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna go through Bitcoin very quick right now on what I see. So I'm just gonna update you about what's actually going on. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue watching this video and I'll show you exactly what I see happening right now on Bitcoin. We're just gonna go through this pretty quick. So we are right now breaking 38,900 and we're having some huge momentum today. We're breaking that level. We also broke this previous low that we did have around 39,600. So what I would do right now, I would just wait for the market to come to certain levels. I'm having one target based off the weekly chart, and that is around 31,800 because that is a low that we did have, so it's not that far away. So usually what happens is that the market is trading from level to level. So we are right now breaking the level 3,800. We're heading back down. We can also see the market coming to this level at 36,032 because that is also a previous high that we did have. So before we're obviously coming to 31,700, we can come up to 36,032. And after that, we just might see the market pulling back up a little bit for then continue back down, or we're breaking to the upside. So market is just melting right now. So I'm just waiting for the market to come to a level. And after that level, I'll see if you're bouncing to the upside or not. I actually did take a trade today and my target just got hit. And I did actually base that one off the small pullback that we did have right here. So I waited for the market to break this uptrend the small uptrend that we did have, and now from that level I did have my take profit around 38,200. Market broke that level. I was in profit. My TPs got hit. You could potentially see market coming up and trying to respect that level from below again. You see the bounce just 38,200. Maybe you're breaking inside again and you see the push is a retest and then continues back up, or we're actually potentially could see the market reversing to that level and then bounce to the upside, because on the lower time frames you'll see that we do have a small uptrend. So we just might have something like this, just a quick pullback and then market continues back down. Right now I cannot give you any targets or nothing because I need to see if the market will just respect it now and then continues, or if we're actually breaking to the upside a little bit more, and then I want to see the break of the structure. So when we're looking at it, we are retesting the low of this wick that we do have, and we just have to wait and see. Looking at the 5-minute chart, you can see maybe if we're closing with a 5-minute chart above, we can take us up a little bit more, but definitely would just wait for the market. If you do not know how to trade on the lower time frames, I would just wait to see what market will do in a couple of hours when the market calms down, because now the movement has already happened. Thank you so much guys for looking at the short video together with me. I just want to give you a quick update about Bitcoin right now on what's going on. Please like this video. Please comment below what you think will happen to Bitcoin right now. Otherwise, we see each other in later today's live stream. Mwah, from Sweden.